Now question number 8. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in India it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. So dear students, this is the formula through which you can convert Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit. Remember this for your science subject also. Now draw the graph of the linear equation above using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. So let us start. To make the graph we need the coordinates. So let us convert this Fahrenheit Celsius equation into two variable by taking the temperatures in Celsius is equal to x degree and in Fahrenheit y, and it is the conversion formula. So let us put it. Fahrenheit, for Fahrenheit we will write y, and for Celsius we will write x plus 32. So I hope it is clear to you. Now let us put the values to get the coordinates. Dear students, as x is in the combination, we will put the values of x to get the value of y. We will assume for x. Now there is a 5 in denominator, students. We have to select x in such a way that it is a multiple of 5, so that we can cancel out because multiplication is there. So in the very beginning, let us take x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, let us see what is y. So 0 multiplied by anything is 0. We're left with only 32 degrees. Now let us do for second part. X is equal to, now let us select x as a multiple of 5 to make the calculation easier. So if we will take 10, so we will have y is equal to 9 by 5 into 10 plus 32. So when we cancel out it, we will get 2. 9 2s are 18, and 18 plus 32, it will be 50 degree. So minimum 3 values are required. You can select 4 values or 5. Minimum 3 are required to make the graph. Let us take it as minus 10. Yes, let us take for a negative value also. Y is equal to 9 by 5 multiplied by minus 10 plus 32. So what do you get? 5 2s are 10, plus minus minus, it will be minus 18 plus 32. So what do you get? You will get 14. 18 to 22 and 20 to 13, so total 14. So minimum 3 values are enough to make the graph. Let us quote these values in the table. When x is 0, y is 32 degree. When x is 10, y is 50 degree. When x is minus 10, y is 14. So you can go with 4 values also. So let us make a graph also. So dear students, here is the graph. Horizontal axis will be taken as x-axis, that is for Celsius, and negative will be x dash, and this will be for Fahrenheit. Y-axis, the standing line, vertical line will be taken as y-axis. So dear students, let us mark. For x maximum 10, minus 10 is required, so we will go with, and we'll take the multiple of 10 to take this. This is 0, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50. So in this way take the multiples of 10. Minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. You can extend also. On the above vertical, this is 10, this is 20, this is 30, then we'll take 40, we'll rub it to extend the line. This is 40, and let us take 50 like this. Okay, same here. This is minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, and so on. So now first value is x is equal to 0 and y is 32. So dear students, because one coordinate is 0, it will lie on y-axis 32. Where is 32? 30, then next 2 points will be taken as 32. Count 2 lines and here you will get 32. Then x is 10 and y is 50. X is 10, y is 50, so we will mark it here. Then next x is minus 10 and y is 14. So 10 के आगे 4 point will get 14. So somewhere we'll get it here. So dear students, when you join it, you will get a straight line, and it should be a straight line when you draw it. It should be a straight line. So in this way you will get the graph for this. Now when you make it on a graph paper, you will get accurate straight line because it has been drawn roughly. So we are not having a straight line. Now let's move on to second part. If the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So for this we have to extend our graphs, dear students. If the temperature is 30, we can read the graph by making it in a proper way. If the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, then what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? If it is 0, then in Fahrenheit it is 32 degree. See, here is the answer. And if the temperature is 0 Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? So this will be the temperature in Celsius. It is near about minus 18 degrees Celsius. Is there a temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? Yes. At minus 40 degrees Celsius, both the temperatures will be same. If we will extend it, and if we will see that at minus 40 degree, here the temperature is same, minus 40. So this is the answer for the last part. Dear students, for first part for second part you have to extend the line. Now if the temperature is 95 degree Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in Celsius? For this also we have to extend the graph.